Hi, welcome back. So in the previous video, we learned that how we can create a plugin, a chatbot plugin that you can use in your project to get some conversational query from your user. Okay. So in this video, we are going to create a plugin that can help you to create variations of testimonials. There you can add some testimonials from the admin panel, and on the front end you can see how you can to change the design of the testimonial. We are going to create a 6 design variations as well with the same backend, and make sure that our code is always secure and without any loophole to get hacked by the hacker. Okay, so for this, let's start. I have installed a fresh WordPress admin panel. Okay, so here I have installed the fresh WordPress setup. Here you can see there is nothing else in it. I just installed it to save some time, so we can only focus on the admin panel. And here we can see like the default theme. Okay, for the prompt I have already created a prompt. Okay, that prompt we are going to use to build our plugin. It's a simple instructions. Okay, so we need plugin identity, we need plugin data model, we need admin and backend. Okay, we need front end output six with the 6 design variations, or you can change the like 3 design variation to 9 variation, whatever you want. Okay, and we also need like single quotations, masonry, Pinterest style, or bubble chat style. We have that covered. Okay, and make sure it's always like a fully responsive. Okay, 3 ways to embed, how you can embed this. We have like a shortcode method, and we want to like use this plugin in the Elementor as well, and the default WordPress Gutenberg editors blocks. Okay, and we make sure that our plugin is fully secured, so there is no like general mistakes to get hacked. Okay, then lifestyle, people can always uninstall if they don't want that, and deliverable. Okay, let's just copy this prompt, go to the chat Claude. Okay, and simple paste that and hit enter. So now we will wait and let him create the plugin for us. Hi, welcome back. So now you can see the plugin is already created. Let's download that plugin, and let me go to the downloads and just extract the plugin files and simply copy this to my project, WP content, plugins, and simply paste it. So here we have the plugin. We just need to activate the plugin. Just go to the dashboard, go to the plugins, install plugins. Here you can see all the listed plugins. Just simply activate the plugin. Okay. So now the plugin is successfully activated. Let's go to the left section, and here you can see the sidebar testimonials. We have 4 options in the testimonials. First, all testimonials, like there you can add some testimonials, delete, edit, and everything else. And here you can see add new testimonial option, and you can also create categories, and you can change the setting. Let's check out the setting. So it is the design setting, whatever design you want. Here you can simply categorize it. We don't have any category, so that's why it's blank. And default number to show, and on uninstall also permanently delete all testimonials and categories where the plugin is deleted. So it will help you to clear the database out as well. Okay, so let's go to the add new testimonial. Let's create some testimonial so we can edit it. Let me pause the video and create some testimonial and get back to you. Hi, welcome back. So here I have added 4 testimonials with some categories. I have named it like international clients and national clients. Here I have added name, okay, some information, and for the meta boxes I have added client name, client company slash role, and ratings. And here on the right side I have categorized it. Okay, let's go back to the same section. Here you can see the categories, and here you can see the classic grid. Let's go to the pages and try to add this in some page. Okay, So currently we are in the default WordPress theme. So we are using Gutenberg blocks. Okay, let's edit this sample page. Let's scroll back all the way to the bottom and let's add a new block and search testimonials showcase. Okay, here you will see, and you can change the design as well. Horizontal slider browser and single quote spotlight. Nice. Masonry grid. Okay. Minimalistic list variables. Okay, with avatars, I have not added any image, so that's why it's not showing any avatar. Bubble and chat style, and that is it. Okay, so let me number down to 4 because I have already added only 4. So that's it. Okay, it looks nice. Let's save it and check on the front end. Just click on this external preview link and scroll down to the bottom. Here you can see it. Okay, let's change the design to like a horizontal browser. Let's save it. Go to the page, refresh it. Here you will see. Okay, there are some variations, but we can alter that as well. Let's single quote spotlight. Let's go to this. Simply refresh it. Sorry, refresh it here. So it's currently working, not working. Okay, so it's probably something else. Let's go to that. Okay, perfect. So it's perfectly working in this as well. And let's try to use it as a shortcode. Let's go to this. We will fix the slider later. And go to the testimonial settings. Let's copy the shortcode so we can use it. Here is a shortcode. Let's copy it. Go to the pages. Edit the quick sample page again. Here I have added like a block. And let's go to the bottom. Let's create a shortcode. Let's copy the shortcode. I want only 3 and design a slider. That's it. Simply save it. Let's go to the front end, refresh it, and here is the like browser and no testimonials found because it is asking for the category. I don't want to assign any category. Let's close it in. Let's refresh it. Here you will see all the okay. I've only showed it 3, so that's why it's showing like that. And lastly, I just need to install some Elementor. Let's go to the add new plugin. Let's go to the popular plugins, and here you will see the Elementor. Just install the Elementor plugin. Let's try it out if it's working perfectly in Elementor as well or not. Okay, the plugin is successfully installed. Let's activate that plugin. I just don't want to fill this. Let's skip everything. I just don't want to set anything. Control with the sorry. Okay, so here we are in the page. Let's search in the widgets. Testimonial showcase. These are ours, and this is created by Elementor. So let's drag and drop it. Okay, looks perfect. Let's try the horizontal slider. Perfect, single quotation. It's working in this. Let's check it out. Let's publish this. Let's preview it, view page, and looks like it's working perfectly fine. Okay, it's working fine in this. And let's change the clients. Let's all categories. I just want 4. That's it. So it's working perfectly fine with shortcodes. It's working perfectly fine with like Elementor, and it's also working fine with the Gutenberg blocks. Okay, so let's fix this. Let's go back to the WordPress admin. I just want to change the theme so that oh yeah, it matches the design. There is no issue with that. Let's go back to the WordPress, and I just need to change the theme to back to the like 2025. Okay, let's activate that, and then let's just refresh the sample page and fix this issue once and for all. Okay, it looks working fine. Okay, let's get the screenshot and share it with. Claude. This slider slash carousel is not working fine. Please check and make sure the design is inherited by from the theme. Okay, let's paste the screenshot. Let's hit enter and wait for it. Hi, welcome back. So the changes has been made. Let's download the updated code and try to replace it and check it out if it's working fine or not. Okay, so here it is. Let's extract that and open this, copy all the files, go to our plugin, just open it, delete all the files, and simply replace it. Okay, let's go to the theme, plugins, let's refresh it out if everything is working fine or not. It looks like it. And if there is new setting in it, it isn't. Let's go to the sample page, hit refresh, and here you can see it's still not working. Okay, but the design is changed. It's because it's crashing with the blocks. So don't worry about it. Let's go to the check the Elementor setting. Change the theme first. Click activate and go to the pages. Open our Elementor page with the Elementor and let's check it out if it's working perfectly fine with Elementor or not. And then we will try to figure it out. Okay. So it looks like it's not. Let's click on it and let's hard refresh. Let's simply go to the horizontal slider, publish it, and hit refresh again. So it's not working. Let's share the screenshot. Now it's not working with Elementor. And Gutenberg blocks. Please check thoroughly and fix once for all. So now you can see like it's not perfect, but yeah, it does the job. You just need to alter some commands in times. Okay, let's paste the second screenshot as well and hit enter. And now we will wait. Hi, welcome back. So here we have the updated code. Let's download this and try to check it out if it's working now or not. Let's extract this. Let's open it. Copy all the code. Go back to this. Remove everything. Paste it. Go to the front end. Refresh it. And it still isn't. And let's check it out in the admin panel if it's working fine or not. Maybe it's crashing with this. Okay. Let's select this. I don't want this. Let's check the classic layout. It's working fine. Single quotation style. The slider is still not working. Masonry grid, still not working. Minimalistic avatars, working fine. And chat plot style, working also fine. Let's publish this and hit refresh. It's working perfectly fine. Okay, so now it's working perfectly fine on the front end. Let's go back to the admin panel. Change the theme to Gutenberg. Appearance. Activate this theme. And let's check it out the sample page if it's working now or not. Okay, so it isn't. So looks like the vanilla JS slider is not working fine. So let me just fix this once for all and then come back to you and with the final output. Okay. Hi, welcome back. So now it's working fine. I just have need to some tweaks, made some tweaks. Okay. So now it's working perfectly fine with the Gutenberg theme and as well as with the Elementor theme. Let's check out that preview also. Let's refresh the page. Let's click on it, and slider is also working perfectly fine. Okay, slider is in this one, so it's working fine. Okay, so now everything is working fine. Sometimes we just need to add one prompt, and the output will be working perfectly fine. But often cases when you try to like create some complicated things, you just need to some add some iterations to that. Okay, so it's working perfectly fine. I will upload this plugin code to GitHub, my GitHub repository. You can download the code from that, and you can try it out with yourself. And I will also provide the prompt in the GitHub plugin folder. You can also copy the prompt, and if you want to like that, you can create something on your own with that prompt, or you can alter the prompt according to your need. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day. If you need any questions, any like complications and all that, you just simply comment on the video. I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, goodbye.